Now we're going to demonstrate our hose clamps. We're going to start with the press down clamp. So the parameters for our clamp basically would be, if it were a supply line, I want to be 20 feet from the apparatus, and I'd be 5 feet from any coupling if one was present there on the supply side. I always want to note where my fire is so that I don't work for prolonged times with my back towards the fire. So I'm going to approach, I'm going to find about 5 feet back, I'm going to put my hose clamp down, I'm going to foot the clamp, and I'm going to use the lever as it's designed for leverage, and I'm going to press down on my hose. Now I'm set. When I go to release my clamp, I'm going to simply press down on the back, pull up on the lock, and use my arm, stiff arming it, to absorb any pressure so that it comes up. Now we're going to go over a screw down clamp. On our Hubert clamp or screw down clamp, our parameters are exactly the same. We always want to be 5 feet from a coupling. If it were a supply line, again, I want to be 20 feet from the apparatus somewhere. The application of this clamp is a little different. This time I'm going to actually hook this hose. And the reason we do this is so that should this clamp open unexpectedly, it opens away from us, keeping us safe. Again, being on the supply side, in case this were charged, it would push away from me. I center my hose, and then I can go ahead and clamp this off. So I go until all my water stops, my hose is clamped, everything's secure. To release, I would simply release until it was not in contact with the hose anymore. I can release my handle and remove.